Here are the top losers and gainers on July 13, 2022. As the market closed last night, there were top tickers with max loss and gain. Here are the top 10 losers and top 6 gainers. Brought to you by Core. Let's begin with top 10 losers. Number 1, Humanigen Incorporated, ticker symbol HGEN, negative 77.09% change. Lenzilumab is an antibody that binds to and neutralizes granulocyte macrophage colony stimulating factor. Humanigen Incorporated was incorporated in year 2000 and is headquartered in Short Hills, New Jersey. Why is it moving? Humanigen shares are trading lower after the company was informed of preliminary top-line results showing its ACTIV5 or BETV trial did not achieve statistical significance on the primary endpoint. Number 2, Atara Biotherapeutics Incorporated, ticker symbol ATRA, negative 54.91% change. Atara Biotherapeutics Incorporated develops treatments for patients with cancer, autoimmune, and viral diseases in the United States. Why is it moving? Atara Biotherapeutics shares are trading lower after the company completed a planned interim analysis of the ATA188 Phase 2 study. A safety monitoring committee said it believes the 6-month interim endpoint may be an inaccurate measure. Number 3, Therapeutics MD Incorporated, ticker symbol TXMD, negative 45.22% change. Therapeutics MD Incorporated operates as a women's healthcare company in the United States. Why is it moving? Therapeutics MD shares are trading lower after the company announced Athene merger did not acquire the required majority of shares of its stock by the extended offer deadline, and as a result, the tender offer has expired. The company anticipates the merger agreement will be terminated. Number 4, Unity Software Incorporated, ticker symbol U, negative 13.36% change. Unity Software Incorporated creates and operates an interactive real-time 3D content platform. Why is it moving? Unity Software shares are trading lower after the company cut financial year 22 revenue guidance below estimates. The company also announced a merger agreement with ironSource. Number 5, Ritchie Brothers Auctioneers Incorporated, ticker symbol RBA, negative 8.97% change. Ritchie Brothers Auctioneers Incorporated sells industrial equipment and other durable assets through its unreserved auctions, online marketplaces, listing services, and private brokerage services. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid broader economic concerns. A slowdown in economic activity could pressure the industrial sector. Number 6, Cardlytics Incorporated, ticker symbol CDLX, negative 7.61% change. Cardlytics Incorporated operates an advertising platform in the United States and the United Kingdom. Why is it moving? Cardlytics shares are trading lower after BofA Securities downgraded the stock from neutral to underperform. Also, Needham lowered its price target on the stock from $60 to $24. Number 7, Saia Incorporated, ticker symbol SAIA, negative 6.77% change. Saia Incorporated operates as a transportation company in North America. The company provides less than truckload services for shipments between 400 and 10,000 pounds. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the industrial sector are trading higher as stocks rebound following last week's sell-off. The sector has experienced volatility amid Fed policy tightening measures which may lead to a slowdown in economic growth and consumer spending. Number 8, Fastenal Company, ticker symbol FAST, negative 6.44% change. Fastenal Company, together with its subsidiaries, engages in the wholesale distribution of industrial and construction supplies. Why is it moving? Fastenal shares are trading lower after the company reported inline Q2 EPS results and Q2 sales results below estimates. Number 9, Pliant Therapeutics Incorporated, ticker symbol PLRX, negative 6.31% change. Pliant Therapeutics Incorporated discovers, develops, and commercializes novel therapies for the treatment of fibrosis and related diseases in the United States. Why is it moving? Pliant Therapeutics shares are trading lower after the company announced the pricing of its upsized underwritten public offering of 10.8 million shares at $18.5 per share. And number 10, Old Dominion Freight Line Incorporated, ticker symbol ODFL, negative 5.13% change. Old Dominion Freight Line Incorporated operates as a less-than-truckload motor carrier in the United States and North America. Why is it moving? Old Dominion shares are trading lower following June CPI, which showed greater than expected inflation. High inflation and potential aggressive Fed policy have driven fears of a recession, which could cause a slowdown in the shipping and freight sectors. Here are the top 6 gainers. Number 1, American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated, ticker symbol AEO, positive 1.06% change. American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated provides clothing, accessories, and personal care products under the American Eagle and Erie brands. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the retail and apparel space are trading higher as stocks rebound following last week's sell-off. The sector has experienced volatility amid Fed policy tightening measures which may lead to a slowdown in economic growth and consumer spending. Number 2, Waste Connections Incorporated, ticker symbol WCN, positive 0.56% change. Waste Connections Incorporated provides non-hazardous waste collection, transfer, disposal, and resource recovery services in the United States and Canada. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid market weakness as traders continue to digest Wednesday's Fed rate hike announcement. Number 3, Full Truck Alliance Company Limited, ticker symbol YMM, positive 0.48% change. Full Truck Alliance Company Limited operates a digital freight platform that connects shippers with truckers to facilitate shipments across distance ranges, cargo weights, and types. Why is it moving? Shares of several Chinese companies are trading lower amid a resurgence in COVID cases which has caused the closure of Macau casinos. Number 4, LegalZoom.com Incorporated, ticker symbol LZ, positive 0.31% change. LegalZoom.com Incorporated operates an online platform for legal and compliance solutions in the United States. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the industrial sector are trading higher as stocks rebound following a recent sell-off. The sector has experienced volatility amid Fed policy tightening measures which may lead to a slowdown in economic activity. Number 5, PIMCO Active Bond Exchange Traded Fund, ticker symbol BOND, positive 0.25% change. The fund normally invests at least 80% of its assets in a diversified portfolio of fixed income instruments of varying maturities, which may be represented by forwards or derivatives such as options, futures contracts, or swap agreement. Why is it moving? Shares of several real estate companies are trading lower amid market weakness as the coronavirus pandemic continues to take its toll on the economy. The virus has made it more difficult to look at and invest in real estate. And number 6, Nordstrom Incorporated, ticker symbol JWN, positive 0.07% change. Nordstrom Incorporated provides apparels, shoes, beauty, accessories, and home goods for women, men, young adults, and children. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the retail and apparel space are trading higher as stocks rebound following last week's sell-off. The sector has experienced volatility amid Fed policy tightening measures which may lead to a slowdown in economic growth and consumer spending. That was the roundup of top tickers with max loss and gain. We hope you found this interesting. You can head over to Core anytime and search your favorite stock and see why it moved, which is not only a free stock portfolio monitoring software, but also where you can find analysis comments, stock news, and more. If you benefited from this video, hit subscribe, leave a comment and give it the thumbs up. Have a suggestion? Let us know. Thanks for watching.